morning vlog. Just joking, I didn't just wake up like that. Ew, I look so crusty. I'm gonna go put some makeup on. Just joking, I don't want to put makeup on because I'm just trying to be natural. Wait, what does my room look like right now? I cleaned it yesterday, but oh, okay, so oh my gosh. Yesterday we had a housewarming, and so I had to clean my room, and some of my friends have noticed that it's changed. Put some of my bags there. That's where I get ready. I limit the amount of chargers I put here, so I just put my iPad charger and then my phone charger there and my Alexa. I don't want to say it too loud or else it'll turn on. My bed is still like that. Oh. Let me just, wait, it looks so cozy right now. I just want to like, I'm not gonna lie, this has been quite an unorganized vlog. Happy Thanksgiving weekend. Okay, so I'm going to the kitchen. I'm feeling pretty hungry. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. What you watching?
Your YouTube channel.
Mom, I'm gonna start vlogging this weekend because it's really important that I capture all the memories with my loved ones. Good morning. I got my brother, and he's looking for his lacrosse ball with his friend, but it's really cold. Oh. There's no temperature here, but yeah, it's pretty cold. So I'm really cold. Jacob.
Aye.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. How much?
20%. That's good, right? Do you always leave 20%?
No, I don't. To be honest.
Well, you're a bad person.
Jacob's excited to get his.
You want a big straw or a small straw?
Oh, big. Okay, I'm going to take it. I'm so sorry I'm not using a metal straw, but I can't wait till I get home, so I'm gonna try it right now. This sucks.
You don't know how to do it. You have to whip it. Then you go.
This tastes amazing. Ready?
Okay, this is gonna be epic one, okay?
Okay, epic one.
Yeah! Epic!
What happened? It's frozen. Where?
Yeah.
Can I see? Whoa, frozen. Right now, Clark and I were at the McDonald's in Walmart. We never come to Walmart, but I don't. Oh my god. Four. That's even number. What else do you got, Clark? Did you get a toy?
I got
Fries. Fries. Cute. What else do you have, Clark? You know, he got all of yogurt.
napkins.
That's so important. Hey guys, so we also went to TJ Maxx and Walmart that day. I got this lamp. Ooh. And today, it was Sunday, so we just did like worship practice. I like played piano. So that was my Thanksgiving weekend. I don't want to go back to school tomorrow. I have my English English class, and then I have to go to work in the morning, which is fine. But this was a pretty short weekend for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit it now. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and thanks. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for more videos,